I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Yaber jump starter. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always ensure your Yaber jump starter is fully charged, ideally showing 100% on its display. Protect yourself by wearing safety glasses and gloves. It's also crucial to confirm your vehicle operates on a 12-volt battery system, as Yaber jump starters are designed for this standard. This preparation ensures a safe and effective jump start every time. Now let's connect the cables. First, attach the red clamp to the positive terminal of your vehicle's dead battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black clamp to the negative terminal, typically marked with a minus sign. Double-check that both clamps are securely fastened to prevent any accidental disconnections during the jump-starting process. A solid connection is key for a successful start. With the clamps securely attached, it's time to start your vehicle. Power on your Yaber jump starter. Once activated, proceed to start your car's engine as you normally would. If the engine doesn't immediately turn over, don't worry. Wait for approximately 30 seconds, allowing the jump starter to continue charging the battery, and then attempt to start the engine again. Most vehicles will start within 1 or 2 tries. Once your vehicle is running, it's time to disconnect. Always remove the black negative clamp first, followed by the red positive clamp. This order minimizes the risk of sparks. After use, store your Yaber jump starter in a cool, dry environment, away from direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Remember to fully recharge the unit after every use, ensuring it's ready for the next emergency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.